Hi, friends, and hello to all the students of NSU, my batchmates. Long time no see. So, I have come over here in order to recite a poem on NSU which I wrote this morning. The life at NSU is really amazing because you never feel you are away from home. The non-teaching staff, the faculty members, the management are so cordial and helpful that you never feel that you are at a college, the so-called Gurukul system. We really enjoyed the time over there, and the learning was superb. The faculty are really awesome and sublime and amazing. So let me recite this poem for you all so that you can relate it to you. You can relate yourself with the time you spent at NSU, and it's all about a description about the faculty members and the study at NSU. So let me start the poem. The name of the poem is NSU, my alma mater. The day I stepped in this paradise, I found myself blessed. It was NSU, my alma mater, where learning is at its best. The infra, the faculty, the teaching methods were sublime, left an impact on my consciousness, beautifully trained my mind. The ethics, the values, the morals, the impeccable training changed my outlook, my thought process for the better. It in me created a sense of impassioned craving for learning. The teaching, the education, the books I got made me a man of letter. How can I ever forget the day I attended the economics lecture, entered Professor D. Shom. At his site, we made some really good conjecture. We thought he will be incomprehensible, his lectures will intimidate us. But after the class was over, we loved him and named him Professor Invictus. Now let's talk about OP sir, who has always been our role model. His communication skills, writing propensity have been a hit full throttle. His elegance and eloquence were undoubtedly a class apart. His way of talking and teaching were no less than the rarest art. Now let me talk about my revered, the young teacher Mr. Shubhodeep, the marketing guru, who had the American accent that was not skin deep. I loved his diction and the knowledge he used to share with us all, and his super stylish presence made all the students enthralled. Commerce and financial accounting had never been my cup of tea. I can't forget the pain that journal ledger balance sheet had given me. But then we saw our Rajesh sir, the student's favorite of all time. He made us understand that accounting was as easy as spending a dime. Organizational behavior and business communication were never so lucrative, till Alok sir took the class, made our day, made management learning so attractive. His experience, his knowledge, his anecdotes to make us understand the concept totally changed our view towards life and brought about transition in our percept. Computer science and IT are things students are afraid of really, but only till they had not met Santara sir, believe me honestly. This prodigy had the knack for programming and using the idiot box. The way he taught us became our mantra of success, our building blocks. We cannot overlook the non-teaching team of our college, who were so devoted, so dedicated, and had a wealth of knowledge. They worked day and night to make our college achieve prosperity. We respected them a lot. We loved them for their helpful propensity. Our director sir and dean sir were quintessential examples for the students. They were father figures and role models with the ultimate level of prudence. I'm really fortunate to have studied there, and equally lucky are you, all my comrades, all my fellow batchmates, and new students of the Temple NSU. Hail NSU, Hail NSU. So friends, this was the poem I shared with you. I hope you enjoyed the poem, and let us take an oath that will make all the faculty proud of ourselves and do something great someday. And this is a message from an alumnus of NSU, an ex-student of NSU, Aman Tiwari. And let's hope NSU sees the light of the day and becomes the most famous college in India. Thank you.